Welcome to This Ready to Craft. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple and easy Thanksgiving banner using Readi-Board foam board. To begin, I'm going to measure out my piece of wrapping paper. You want to make sure it covers your entire board. I'll set aside my wrapping paper, then apply a layer of spray adhesive to my foam board. To get better adhesion, I'm going to want to spray my wrapping paper with adhesive as well. When you're working with spray adhesive, make sure you work in a well-ventilated area. Notice that I'm using a scrap piece of foam board to block any overspray. I'll also use a piece of foam board to smooth the paper down. Then, do the same to the other side. Once you have everything smoothed down, flip the board over and trim away the excess paper. I'm going to go through all my letter templates and remove the extra white paper. Then I'll arrange all of my letters onto my foam board. Once I'm sure everything will fit, I will apply repositionable spray adhesive to the back of all the letters. I prefer to work as I go instead of spraying them all at once. This will help me make sure that I don't lose my spacing. Once all of my templates have been stuck down, I'll separate the letters. Switching to a hobby knife, I'm going to carefully cut along the lines. You may need to check from the back as you work. Once the letter is cut out, peel off your template. The repositionable adhesive on the back should still be tacky. This is handy in case you wanted to use them again and create more than one project. Now that all my letters are cut out, I'm going to attach clothespins to the back. This is how I will hang my letters on some rope. Simply attach them with some glue. You could use white glue, but I'm using hot glue. I decided to use 2 clothespins for the H. I've picked up a couple of materials at my local Dollar Tree. To dress up my banner, I'm going to create a variety of bows. Here are all my letters laid out. I picked up some flower clips while I was at the dollar store. I've made a variety of bows and some tassels. Some of the bows I've attached to clothespins. You can use these to attach the bow to the rope or the letters. To attach other bows to the letters, you can use a T-pin. Simply push the pin through the back of the foam board and into your bow. This allows you to experiment with the placement. And the tiny hole in the front is barely visible. I'm going to be using this jute rope to hang all of my letters. There you have it, super fun, super simple Thanksgiving decor. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you would like to see a ready to craft of, let us know in the comments.